Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how you can trade on Roblox. Now without further ado, let's get started. So Roblox is an amazing platform where you can actually connect with your friends or some other people, and you can play, or you can actually trade and create some avatars, or you can sell on Roblox. Now first, all you have to do is go to www.roblox.com. That is the Roblox website. And once you're in Roblox, just log in into your account, or if you still don't have an account, just simply sign up for an account. All you have to do is enter a username of your choice and enter a unique password and just click on sign up and you are good to go. Now, once you're in Roblox, I have to be straight with you. In order to sell on Roblox, right about here, I'm just going to show you in the marketplace. In order to have this, or in order to sell on Roblox, all you need is to get premium. Now right about here, I'm just going to show you what I'm talking about. So once I click on get premium right here, it will automatically will lead you to a subscription per month. So in my case, or in my region in the Philippines, it has a 499 pesos per month, and it will give me a 1000 Robux per month. So Robux is the in-game currency, or the currency in Roblox. So in order for you to go to buy or to sell some products on Roblox, you need to have some Robux, which is the currency in Roblox. So as you can see right here, I have 499 pesos, so that's about $9 to $10 or even $11 US dollars actually. So once I scroll down, it says exclusive items and discounts. So if you want to sell on Roblox or even trade some with people, all you need to do is to go to premium. So as you can see right here, once I click on subscribe now, so these are the details that I need to type. So I need to go to type my credit card, my debit card, PayPal, or if you have a Roblox card, you can actually redeem the Roblox card. So for now, I'm not gonna go into this, but I hope you get the idea that in order for you to buy or to sell some Roblox stuff, all you need to do is to pay a premium subscription per month in Roblox. So with that being said, let's go to marketplace right here. So as you can see, these are the examples of what you can actually sell. So you can actually sell some characters, some animation packs, some emotions, and some wigs, you know, some hats, some weapons, and some beards. So all of that. Now first, I'm gonna show you how you can actually create an avatar. So for now, I'm just gonna go to avatar right here. So as you can see, this is the default avatar that Roblox offers. So as you can see, this is the avatar that I have, and as you can see, we have a lot of options right here. So don't worry, these are completely free, and this includes the free version of Roblox. So you can actually just edit this one real quick, or you can play with this actually if you want to. So right about there, as you can see, it changes right about there. And if you want to edit your hair, just click on the wig right here. There you have it. And if you want to edit the size of your head, or the shape of your head rather, you can actually select the blockhead right about there. So the only problem with this is these items are free, and this is very repeatable. So if you want to actually have a unique style of your Roblox avatar, just click on get more right here. And as you can see, these are not completely free, so you have to buy some Robux right here, right about there. So if you want to buy some Robux and spend an extra amount of money, all you have to do is go to buy Robux right about here. As you can see, these are the packages of Robux that actually has in my country. So as you can see, the most popular one is around 499 pesos, around $10, 10 US dollars. That will give me 1000 Robux per month. So next is if you want to trade, just click on trade right here, and as you can see, I don't have a trade requests right here for inbound and outbound right about here, because like I said, I don't have a premium account for Roblox. So in order for you to trade, you can actually get premium. Now if you want to create, you can actually go to create right here. So these are some extra features that Roblox has. You can actually create some avatar, some documentations, and actually you can create some games in Roblox. So that's about it. Now in order for you to start creating, just click on start creating right here, and it will lead you to the Roblox studio. So once you have done that, just download the Roblox Studio and you can now start creating your own games or creating your own experiences. So for now, I don't have much more to offer because we need the premium account for Roblox. So I hope you get the idea that in order for you to enjoy the extra features that Roblox offers, you need to get the premium account right here. So if you want to spend an extra amount of money, you can actually do that, and you can enjoy some features, some premium benefits with experiences in Roblox. You can actually trade right about here. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!